What's up, guys? Welcome to the video today. Today's video is gonna be on a couple hot stocks that I know a lot of you all own out there on Robinhood. So what I did was I took a look at the top 10 stocks on Robinhood, and I'm gonna break down these stocks and tell you whether they're a buy, sell, or hold. So that's what we're gonna be looking at today. But first, we lift.
I'm a young Spanish nigga from the projects. I'm gon' make it, who gon' stop it? I ain't got nothing to lose, yeah. Fuck all the rules, yeah. I'm on the move, yeah. I'm a young Spanish nigga from the projects. I'm gon' make it, who gon' stop it? I ain't got nothing to lose, yeah. Fuck all the rules, yeah. I'm on the move, yeah. Sick of the rats and roaches, sick of them brown bricks, sick of the freezing cold, sick of them hollow tips, sick of the pissy stackers, sick of them fucking sirens, sick of being quiet. I'm about to start a riot, cause growing up I wasn't black enough, wasn't white enough, and no one thought I would make it out. Bitch, I made it now. I'm a young Spanish nigga from the projects. I'm gon' make it, who gon' stop it? I ain't got nothing to lose, yeah. Fuck all the rules, yeah. I'm on the move, yeah. I'm a young Spanish nigga from the projects. I'm gon' make it, who gon' stop it? I ain't got nothing to lose, yeah. Fuck all the rules, yeah. I'm on the move, yeah. Cause growing up I wasn't black enough, wasn't white enough, damn. And no one thought I would make it out. Bitch, I made it now. I'm a young Spanish nigga from the projects. I'm gon' make it, who gon' stop it? I ain't got nothing to lose, yeah. Fuck all the rules, yeah. I'm on the move, yeah. I'm a young Spanish nigga from the projects. I'm gon' make it, who gon' stop it? I ain't got nothing to lose, yeah. Fuck all the rules, yeah. I'm on the move, yeah. I'm a young Spanish nigga from the projects.
What's up, guys? Just got this workout in. It was a good leg day. Our legs are burning right now. Some people looking at us funny for recording the gym, but we don't care. We're out here trying to make these videos for you all. Hopefully you all are keeping up with our workouts and with our finance gains. Like I said, we're trying to make some fitness gains and some finance gains, so hopefully you all been keeping up, guys. Now back to some finance.
I put the team on my back. I do it all for the family.
So the first stock we're going to talk about is the most popular stock on Robinhood, which is ACB. ACB is owned by 671,520 people on Robinhood. It is currently at a price of $1.67, and of course you should know that they engage in the production and distribution of cannabis products. And one of the reasons I believe it's so attractive on Robinhood is because of its low price. And obviously people are of the assumption that the cannabis industry is soon going to explode, and they're not wrong, but there's more to look into instead of just a low price and a booming industry. Although it does have a potential upside, its recent financial results didn't look too promising. And not only did it not look promising for the near future, but for the farther future, it didn't look promising either. The company had a $56 million decrease in revenue in Canadian dollars and recorded a net loss of 1.3 billion Canadian dollars. Not only that, they are yet to deliver any good financial news. They have big share dilution problems and an abnormal amount of goodwill on their balance sheets. All this combined doesn't look too good for the company, although I believe maybe later on in the future it might be a buy. As of now, the final verdict is a sell. The second company I'm going to talk about, which is the second most popular company on Robinhood, is Ford. Ford is owned by 381,047 people on Robinhood and is at a current price of $7.92. Ford engages in the manufacture, distribution, and sales of automobiles. Ford is a well-known company, so I'm sure you know that already. And researching the company's financials and looking at opinion from so-called experts, there's a lot of mixed opinions about Ford. From my viewpoint, the company still has some catching up to do when it comes to catching up to Tesla on the electric car models that it has. Obviously, I believe electric cars are the future, so companies that are adapting towards that way are going to do better in my opinion. And we're yet to see what their plan is. They have come out with some electric cars, but we're yet to see their full plan in that aspect. Are they going to be able to compete with the bigger players in the electric car industry? It is yet to be determined. Since I do believe that electric cars are the future and that's the way all these car companies are going to be going, they need to position themselves well and strategically in order to be able to compete with them. And if they can do that, then they're going to have some success. But for now, final verdict, hold. The third company I'm going to talk about is the third most popular stock on Robinhood, is General Electric. General Electric is owned by 329,196 people on Robinhood, and it is at a current price of $12.21. It is a technology and financial services company, and is also another well-known stock. GE stock had a terrible 2017, a terrible 2018 where it dropped dramatically, but in 2019 it did rebound. Not completely, but it had a good year in 2019. It's up over 26% today as where it was last year. However, like I said, that does come after 2 terrible years, where the stock fell from around $30 to its all-time low at $6.82. However, GE's cash flow is expected to rise in 2020 after it beat earning views from the fourth quarter of 2019. Its reported earnings rose 24% to 21 cents a share. So I believe that the worst is over for GE, and final verdict, buy. The fourth most popular stock on Robinhood is Microsoft. No surprise there. Microsoft is owned by 316,032 people on Robinhood. It is at a current price of $178.21. It engages in the development and support of software services, devices, and solutions. Looking at the 5-year history of the stock, you can see how it's consistently grown over the last 5 years. Technology is always evolving and becoming more and more complex. Nowadays, we rely on technology for everything, and it seems like for the future, that's how it's going to be forever. We're becoming more and more reliant on this technology. Microsoft has done a good job of keeping up with the times and keeping up with the needs of the people, sometimes even creating the needs of the people with their innovative products. They create new technology and create new needs for people, which will really help them grow. And I believe they'll continue to do that over the years. And with the continued growth in demand for technology, both them and Apple are in a good position to succeed for the future. Both will benefit and grow. Final verdict, strong buy. The fifth and final stock for this video, I'll mention the next 5 in my top 10 list in my next video. But the fifth and final one for this video is GoPro. And GoPro is one of those companies that Robinhood actually gives out free stock of. So that might partly be a reason why it's the most popular on Robinhood, because it does give out, very often, it gives out GoPro free stocks. And talking about free stocks, if you want a free stock and you haven't made a Robinhood account, use the link down below, make your account, and you will get a free stock. Now, GoPro is owned by 283,997 people on Robinhood. Like I said, part of that might be because Robinhood does give out free stock of GoPro very often, and some people might not sell it and just leave it there in their portfolios. That might be the reason. Either way, we're going to talk about it today. Its current price is $3.97, and it engages in the manufacturing and selling of cameras and camera accessories. There's several negative signals for GoPro. The company doesn't look to be doing too well. Just by clicking on its history, you can see the history of the company has consistently gone down since 2014. It's actually down over 90% from its all-time high in 2014. And now the stock consistently stays under $8. The company seems to be bringing in way less money, running through its cash, and piling on the debt. They continuously deliver worse financial results to its investors. They also don't seem to have a detailed plan to come out of this rut. I believe first, they need a clear-cut plan to be able to come out of this and get back on track. Final verdict, strong sell. Thanks for watching, guys. Like I said, next video I'll mention from number 6 to number 10, and we'll talk about those, and I'll tell you whether those are a buy or sell. As for now, that's it for today. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, and be sure to invest in Robinhood. Make your free account with the link down below, and you'll start yourself off with a free stock, guys. Thanks for watching. See you all later.
I put the team on my back. I do it all for the